Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Uh, I am Muhammad Fatur Rahman Monoarfa, and my name 2012000043, and I'm a student of Perbanas Institute, Facultas of Management, by fulfillment of English text for professional purpose. With my lecturer, Miss Adelina Fauzi, or call Miss Adeline, and I will present effectivitas 0% down payment during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, here I start. Okay. Bank Indonesia plan to issue regulation regarding 0% down payment for motor vehicle loan and home ownership loan in early March 2021. And here are the rules. Bank Indonesia Regulation PBI number 23 strip 2 PBI 2021. Okay, and then next, Bank Indonesia goals is to stimulate interest and increase people purchasing power in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and emphasize that Bank Indonesia issue the 0% down payment policy, also taking into account economic condition and still paying attention to the principle of prudence and risk management. To maintain file the prudential principle, Bank Indonesia also include arrangement in the policy. One of them is by paying attention to the ratio of the non-performing loans or financing (NPL), non-performing financing (NPF) from bank and finance companies. NPL or NPF ratio recruitment, and one, the ratio of bad loans to total loans on a gross basis is less than 5%. And two, the ratio of bad loans from KP strip PP on a gross basis is less than 5%. There are recruitment for bank or finance companies to issue them, namely, one, for bank, the recruitment for the non-performing loan ratio, the LTV for FTV ratio limit for KP strip PP is a maximum of 1000% for all type and type of property, as well as all KP or strip PP facility. And two, for bank that do not meet recruitment for the NPL strip NPF ratio, the limit for advance for KKB strip PKB as the follow. And for two-wheel vehicle to the less 10%, and for two wheels vehicle or more non-productive to at least 4%, and for three-wheel vehicle one more productive and the less 5%. Down payment limit KKB on PKB are also applied to KKB or PKB for environmentally sound motorized wheels. The provision of KKB or PKB must pay attention to the principle of prudence and risk management. Okay, next. The following are the main policies of Indonesia. One, loosening the provision for advance for KKB or PKB to at least 0% for all type of the motorized vehicle effective March 1, 2021 until December 31, 2021. And two, loosen the ratio of loan to value or financing to value LTV or FTV for KP to a maximum of 100% for all type of properties. Okay, traded house, flat, and shop house. Rukan. Next, criteria of vehicle include PPNBM 0%. One, car with engine configuration less than 1,500 cc and two-wheel drive or 4x2, and two, sedan with engine capacity below 1,500 cc, and three, all kind of two-wheel vehicle. Okay, and next, uh, there are 21 cars in 6 brand that can enjoy a 0% down payment facilities with the following brand. Quite a lot and many choice for those of you who want to have a new car according to your needs. Toyota, Daihatsu, Mitsubishi, Honda, Suzuki, Wuling, and the Nissan brand is also included in the regulation. However, because this PPNBM incentive is imposed on the cost of goods sold, HPP or factory price, then the name Nissan Livina is listed in the Mitsubishi or Nissan change to Mitsubishi. And next, motor vehicle credit document recruitment through leasing. Seperti this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and all for vehicle credit document recruitment through bank. And next, the stats of these states are in accordance with the starting date on March 1, 221, May 221. The state is this are the accordant with the starting date, March and May, getting 100% the 0% down payment, all 0% down payment, and and then June or August 221 with only 50% down payment, then closing from September to December and get to 25 discount with its 75 down payment only. And next, okay, let's look at the pie chart regarding participant overview based on the purchasing power decrease during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Next, then the pie chart regarding participant overview based on the increase. Oh, sorry. Those who feel neutral or just as much as 55% and those who make a decrease and which is 45% are also quite large. Those who experience a decrease, obviously we know that this pandemic does make us have to better manage our finance. Okay, and next, then the pie chart regarding participant overview based on interest in down payment 0%, 70 and 30% are pretty much not interest in this 0% down payment, yes, it is only natural because with this pandemic, people don't want to take the risk of doing PISA loan even with 0% down payment. And next, for this research, participant overview based on agree to 0% in PISA loan. A lot of people say they don't agree about 75% of the case. According to the research, it is possible that people don't understand what is meant by 0% down payment and clear information about the existence of 0% down payment, and it's also related to this pandemic. So people don't to credit for things you don't really need. And next, conclusion. My conclusion, the conclusion from my analysis of the effectiveness of 0% down payment for PISA in the COVID-19 pandemic, it can be concluded that the initial 0% down payment PISA loan during the COVID-19 pandemic was not effective, or the reality or the lending was not the achieved based on the target set by the bank. Because from our research, results some the more people are not interested in the doing credit to several factory, namely one, people reluctant to do credit for personal reason, and two, avoid violence, and three, difficult credit rules during the COVID-19 pandemic, and four, lack of clear information about the 0% down payment offer. So there is a lack of public trust about the offer, and most people use the money for investment or save money for the long term, or use is for a daily need. So that the public is not too interested in the offer provided by Bank Indonesia. The following is my presentation regarding my analysis in the effectiveness of credit with a 0% down payment during the COVID-19 pandemic. More or less, sorry if there wrong word and wrong explanation. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.